Do you know that? You search for a solution, and you get statements like, "The solution is clear," and that without describing, measuring, or analyzing anything. You jump from the statement right into the solution. This is weird, right? But human. Welcome to the Alpha D Academy. Anyone who thinks of Six Sigma instantly associates the term DMAIC. DMAIC is not just a term, it is the success factor of Six Sigma. It is your navigation system through your project.
DMAIC is an acronym for the 5 phases into which a Six Sigma project is separated and stands for define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. In define, we describe basically the problem statement and the goal. The following tasks have to be accomplished. Define the process steps that have to be analyzed. Nominate the team that is familiar with these process steps. Identify some important factors that have an impact on process performance. Know how the process performance, i.e. the big why, is measured. In the measure phase, we systematically collect reliable data on the influencing factors that we have identified in the define phase. This means that we zoom into these factors and plot them in diagrams. At the end of the measure phase, the current process capability of the big why is determined. In analyze, we examine all irregularities of the influencing factors from the measure phase. We zoom into these irregularities and look for their root causes, called levers. Statistics will prove that the right root causes have been identified that prevent us from achieving our goal. During improve, we develop solutions to eliminate the root causes we found in the analyze phase. These solutions will be tested and optimized. In addition, we evaluate and reduce risk factors that prevent our new solution from being successful. In control phase, we roll out the new solution and ensure sustainability by training the team in the new process flow, by controlling and monitoring the risk factors identified during the improve phase, and by communicating the new solution using work instructions. At the end of the DMAIC process, we return the project to the sponsor and celebrate our success together with the team.
Here are some more tips. Plan all dates of the DMAIC phases at the beginning of the project and stick strictly to them. Stick strictly to the DMAIC process and carry out the gate reviews together with the sponsor. Let the sponsor participate in the team meetings only in case of emergency. If the sponsor has the time to attend every team meeting, then he can do the project himself. Your team members should present the results at the gate reviews. This demonstrates good teamwork and boosts the appreciation of the team. Good project managers do not need to be in the foreground. And keep in mind, after the project, the team has to implement everything. That's why you should treat the team well.